What if I told you that you could become your own bank and that you could borrow money on your terms, that you could make a lot more money than a normal bank? Well, friends, my name is Kris Krohn, and today we're having that conversation couched inside the conversation of life insurance. And the big question is, can I put money in and take money out at will? That's a great question. Answer coming your way next.
'Cause we're gonna be legends. What we're doing here ain't just scary. It's about to be legendary.
Let's start with answering your question. You've got a whole life insurance policy and you want to know, Kris, I've been putting money in there. Can I take some of the money out of it? And the answer is, it depends. It doesn't depend on the insurance carrier. It depends more on the insurance agent that set you up. You see, when I invest in real estate or when I build business, I'm always using my whole life insurance policy as my own bank. So when you set up a whole life insurance policy, the first thing that goes down is you have a safe place to put your money, and that is untouchable. And what I mean by untouchable is it is unlitigatable. You put your money in a whole life policy, and if someone wanted to sue you, or even frankly, if the government wanted to garnish or take from you, they couldn't. And so this is the only and last standing impervious place on the planet where you can store money as a store of value and have it truly safe, as opposed to putting your money in some FDIC insured bank that only guarantees up to what, $250,000 per account? So your money becomes untouchable. The second thing is, a normal bank's only going to pay you what, like 0.1% return on your money. A life insurance policy, if you get the right one, should be paying you 5% or more. Now, you're not going to get rich, but I do call that being a wise steward of your money. The third thing that your whole life insurance policy should do is it should allow you to borrow it with ease. And this is where you run into a problem, my friend. This is why I can't give you a straight answer. The majority of insurance agents that set up these policies, they're incentivized to create a policy that produces the highest commission for them. And they get the highest commission if they can put your money away and make it very illiquid, meaning you can't take it out very easily. But on the opposite extreme, in the last decade, I've only met 3 individuals that know how to set up policies where you can dump money in and you can pull nearly everything back out. And those are rare policies because they don't pay a whole lot in commission to these people that set them up, but it is what's in your best interest and it's what's in my best interest. So think about it. I've been in the financial arena in the last decade. I've only found 3. You click the link in the description below. I'll introduce you to the team I recommend for people, because people ask me, you go to my events and you start figuring out what I'm about and how sophisticated my investments are, you're going to want to know who are my people. I'm letting you know you can tap into my team right then and there. Now, if you set it up the right way, you can put money in, you can pull it out, you can use it to support your investing, and then you can put it right back in when you're done with your investing. In the meantime, your money gets to grow tax-free. How cool is that? For me, I think it's absolutely amazing. One of the things for you to be aware of is you need to not just find the right insurance company or the right insurance agent, you need to find a specialized agent that is willing to write a policy that will pay them peanuts to make sure that they give you the highest and best advantages. And again, if you click the description link below, this is the first time I've released my team. They're a global team. It's the first time I've actually shared them on YouTube with the whole planet. So that's a gift from me to you, saying, let's create as much value as we can for you. Coming back to your question, can you actually pull your money out? If you've got the right agent and you set up your policy the right way, then you're all good. If you didn't, you're not. What should you do? It's simple. You want to cancel this policy and you want to transition it into a smarter policy. You will be able to get your money out if you're canceling the policy to transition it into a different one. And you absolutely want to look at that, because you need a policy that is specifically designed to allow you to be your own bank. And I highly recommend Googling the book titles that are out there. People are teaching how to make life insurance, turn it into your own banking system. And I've done that in my life because it's the best bank that I have on the entire planet. It's not this bank, it's not that bank on the corner. It's my own personal bank. It supports my investing, it supports my life, it supports my business. And you can have that benefit too. It's awesome. And the good news is you don't have to pay for it. So get smart, get more sophisticated, take care of that today. Hey, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope that the knowledge was useful and meaningful. I make as many of these videos as I can based on your feedback. So if you've got questions unanswered, post them in the comments below so me and my team can vet that and see if we're going to make our next video on your question. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell. By doing that, it allows me to notify you every day the next video. And yes, tomorrow there will be another video. And the next day another one, and the next day. And I never take a break. And the reason why is because I feel like this information needs to get out to the world. There are so few of us that are living truly financially free. And with as much possibility and technology and opportunity that exists out there, you gotta find the right mentor and get the right help. So on that note, you can even go to the description below, get a copy of my latest book. I'm giving it away for free. It'll show you how to make $1 million in real estate from nothing. And life insurance will only make it more sexy.